Hey y'all, Todd McCart here. Just want to tell you a little review on how I got my first Spark sale and how subsequently I've generated 3,274 leads into my affiliate marketing business and 101 Spark sales, 18 VIP sales, 26 core sales, and 2 elite sales. And I did it all by this. Sorry about the phone. The You got to look at a market. Who are you marketing for? You sign up, okay, you get in there, you do the AI launch secrets, and you start going through your modules and you get a grip. Who's my market? My market, as I always want, I like to solve a big problem for a big group of people. That makes my market huge. I am the work from home guy, okay? I am searching for people who want to work from home, okay? And with a big problem, here's the big problem. They need extra money. I focused on folks who needed extra money. So the first thing I went to Facebook and I went through everyone that I have associated with in the last 10 years. And I first contacted those people, said, hey, Super Dan, Kara, and a bunch of other people. And I said, hey, I got something that's really cool. It might be able to fix your money problems. If you're interested, let me know. And I left it at that. Well, I am getting replies because I've been in this industry a little while and they know, like, and they trust me. So I sent them my link. They joined immediately. Okay. So that was my first couple sales with a warm market. But now you know I'm selling. Okay, boom, I'm selling. And trust me, guys, if you don't think you're selling, you are selling. But don't look at it as you're selling. Look at it as you're helping. You know what I mean? So if you're more than willing to help people with a huge problem, that means the lack of money. They always run out of the money before they run out of bills. So nail those people. Those are the people that you want to talk to. You don't want to go after people that are into fishing. If their whole Facebook profile is about fishing, he's probably not going to be interested in working from home. Okay. Or he's into cats. No. Go for the people who are in affiliate marketing. Make friends with them on Facebook. Okay. Like their stuff. Okay. Like their stuff. Comment on their stuff. Okay. Because they're going to do the same for you. They're going to start looking at you. Who's this guy? Okay. And you're going to show them that you have an AI powered automated system that they can benefit from. Okay. Not only do we have the AI uh, kickstart inside of Spark, which everyone, you can look at it from that point of view. That point of view would be even bigger, probably, because there's a ton of people out there that are scared to death what AI is going to do. Is it going to take their jobs? Is it going to make them rich? And they all fall in between that scope. Okay. So, hey, here you go. Hey, if I can show you a way to learn AI and train it to be just like you, would you be interested in that? Yeah, absolutely. People want to know, but they don't want to spend an arm and a leg and they don't want monthly fees. But I can tell you here's what I can do. I can give you this system that's going to teach you that stuff, that's going to help you do that stuff, and it'll pay you every time you cycle 50 bucks. What cycle? What they look at it like that. What I do, I just made curiosity with these people, right? So the curiosity now is in full speed. Now, what I did is those my warm market. Those are the people on Facebook. Remember, big market, big opportunity. Okay, people are looking to work from home, especially nowadays. People are also looking for extra money. So go for those kind of people first and foremost. Get yourself some traffic. Now you got some cold marketing coming in. And when you do get the traffic, don't just let the leads fall and ferment on their own. You want to reach out to those people. And my reach out is simple. Hey, great to meet you. And they don't even know they met me, but it was great to meet them. So I put in there, say, you opted into my $500 a day uh, AI powered system that's simple and easy for you to make extra money from home with an AI powered automated system, something like that. Could you please reply to this email with Are you interested in just making extra income, like a six-figure income, or are you interested in making more full-time income, like a seven-figure income? And just reply with one of those so I know what to send you. Do not put a link in that email and send it from your Gmail account, and you will get replies because you just turned that cold market, right? That traffic authority is sending leads to your capture page for you on your behalf, automatic. And now you're turning that into warm. They're going to know you. They're going to know you. You just like to, hey, like to meet you. Okay, I met them and I asked them, just reply. Are you interested in a six-figure income or a seven-figure income? They'll tell you. They'll reply. And those will be sales that you're going to close. And you just give them your link of the second email. The second email, when they reply, you send them your VSL, okay? And they'll go from there. Okay. So that's how primarily I got my first one is I went for the big market people that are on Facebook because that's where the people are. Okay. The people are on Facebook, guys. Go where the people are and look for affiliate marketers. Start friending five or six a day. Friend, five or six a day, because you're posting every day, because you're going to your back office on ready-made ads and you're putting those up. And you can take those ready-made ads, take it to Chat GPT and customize it and put your caricature in that and change the wording a little bit so you have them 7 days a week. Okay. All right. That's how I did my first sales and my 101 Spark sales consequently from after that. All right.